Last time ko nagkaon si I think January 2025 pa. Hi! So it's creative today. Kakainin ko na ang first ever approved cheat. So I bought a croissant. Kinain ko na sa taxi at uubusin ko na siya ngayon. This is my first approved cheat after 11 months. Let's eat. Dumahibli ako sini. Anyway, that's what's creative today. See you on the next one. Bye! I will enjoy this without the video. Mwah! My God, January, December. Diba?